Assalamualaikum. Good morning to everyone. So, students, yesterday we had started a cure for Santa. Okay, after death of Santa Claus, Robin was not ready to take up his father's duty. So he did not want to become a Santa. So as a child, Robin used to spend all his time in indoors only by learning how to make toys of all sorts, like that he used to spend. He never interacted with another child, so he was afraid of children. So when he how on earth would he go and deliver the toys during the Christmas then? So on Christmas day he have to go to on earth, and how did he deliver Christmas gift to the children? So what happened? Gremlins and elves. A person mechanically, those who blames the problems, that person and elves, they were worried about Santas, and they have got an idea. So listen carefully. Who said these? Elves said to Alice. So what he said? You all must go and pick up newspaper. From that newspaper you have to look for advertisement. For what advertisement? Doctor. Okay, what type of doctor? That doctor should be special. That doctor should have special talents to help cure of Robin. He was afraid of children. So वो डर निकालने के लिए स्पेशल डॉक्टर को न्यूज़पेपर से एडवर्टाइजमेंट सर्च करने के लिए बोल दिए. So from newspaper he had searched advertisement. Okay, so what said? I see something interesting, cried Aldo in a small sweet voice. Okay, what said? Alice, please read it. So here it goes, means here he read, are you afraid of dark, or are you afraid of own shadow, or spiders, snakes, suffering from phobias? So here Dr. Michael Smith is there. He was a doctor of fear. That doctor will help the Robin to cure his disease. So what happened? So they made ready. Who made ready? Gremlins and elves and Aldo. So what they did? Next morning, when Robin is doing his breakfast, at that time, Alice told the previous day how they managed. Okay, so previous day what was occurred, and they managed Robin to convince to visit the doctor. Half an hour, Robin and Alice were dressed up and they went. Okay, Robin, Alice and Aldo, they took off for the city. When they reached doctor's clinic, they were asked to wait in a room. So how was that room? That room was white. The floor was white, curtains and tables, all those things were in a white color. So by seeing that, they thought that looks like the doctor is afraid of black. Alice chuckled. Chonk kar bol diya na. Right at that moment, the secretary poked, okay, in her head. What she said, secretary? The doctor is waiting for you, she said. Okay, when they went inside, they did not found nothing special. How the doctor wore shoelace, trousers, apron, spectacles, everything was white the doctor was wearing. So the doctor himself was rather pale, means rather doctor itself only having a fear. A short statured man with thick black eyebrows. How was the doctor? Doctor was short in height and he had a thick black eyebrows. So today we will complete the remaining story. The doctor greeted the visitors and introduced himself warmly. So the doctor greeted Robin, Alice and Aldo, and what he did, he introduced himself warmly. Means doctor himself only introduced in front of Robin, Aldo and Alice. Warm way, polite way. However, Alice found the whiteness rather cold and uncomfortable. So Alice found that whiteness rather cold. Whiteness is rather cold or it is uncomfortable. Why is everything white here? He asked. Alice asked to doctor, white is rather than cold or it is uncomfortable? Why is white here? Why is everything white here? Alice asked to doctor. Dr. Smith looked at him and smiled. So doctor looked at Alice and he smiled. Well, I choose white because no one is afraid of white. Why I choose this white? Because no one will be afraid of white. So this is the reason. Children are afraid of the dark and not anything white. Children also afraid of black, not white. Okay, even vampires like the white moon. Means even the vampires like white moon. Bulls hate red and don't mind white. See, moon also, it is in a white color, it is not in a black color. Bulls, inike bail, that hated red color, but white color they won't mind. You can see many instances where white is the preferred color in our lives. So what the doctor said, you can see in many instances where white is preferred in our life. यानी कि हमारी लाइफ में हम देखे होंगे आप कई जगहों पर कि हमारी लाइफ में वाइट का ज्यादा प्रिफर किया जाता है. रॉबिन स्माइल्ड एंड स्ट्रोक्ड हिज वाइट बियर्ड. रॉबिन, ही वॉज अ रॉबिन, ही स्माइल्ड एंड ही स्ट्रोक हिज बियर्ड, यानी कि इसे दाढ़ी को खुजा लेना. When the doctor asked about his problem, when doctor asked to Robin about his problem, Robin's smile vanished and he narrated his problem in a solemn tone. Means when doctor asked to Robin, so Robin's smile vanished, हंसी गायब हो गई, and he narrated his story, पूरी story बोल दी हो ना, solemn tone, यानी कि in a tone way, how the song is ringing, singing in that tone, he started narrating his problem. Means अपनी पूरी problem नो पूरी अपनी प्रॉब्लम नरेट कर दी है. किसके सामने? डॉक्टर के सामने. डॉक्टर स्मिथ स्टूड अप एंड बिगैन पेसिंग द रूम अप एंड डाउन. डॉक्टर स्मिथ स्टूड अप, he stand up and began pacing his room up and down, looking. He looked right at Robin and said, he looked right at Robin, Robin को देखे और बोले, this is a very rare case. Rare यानी कि it is a how was that case? The case was rare. So डॉक्टर क्या बोले कि वो केस बहुत ही कीमती है. I honestly have no clear idea about the treatment. He honestly said that, doctor, I have no clear idea about the treatment what you have said with me, but we can give it a try. But I can try it. मैं एक ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. Robin did not know what to expect. Robin did not know what to expect. क्या उम्मीद कर सकते हो ना डॉक्टर से, पता नहीं है. Are you afraid of ogres? asked Smith. What the doctor said, are you afraid of ogres? Yeah, witches. Shaitan. Pooh, Robin said contemptuously. What about little girls? What Robin said? Witches. How he said? Pooh. How he said contemptuously. What about little girls? Robin grew pale with fear. निके हो ना, डर बढ़ गया. Oh, terrible, he cried. What he said, Robin? Oh, it is terrible. इनके बयान. I have got an idea of what to do with you. What doctor said? I have got an idea what to do with you. मेरे को एक आइडिया आया कि आपके साथ मैं क्या करूं. Next is I have treated a few people and they are completely cured now. What the doctor said? I have treated few people, they are completely cured now. यानी कि मैं थोड़े पेशेंट्स को ट्रीटमेंट करा, वो अभी ठीक हो चुके हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Why do not you just pay them a visit and find out what helped them? So Robin said, why do not you just pay them a visit? जब आप क्यों नहीं उनसे मिलते और फाइंड आउट करते what helped them, क्या उनकी हेल्प किया हुआ है. डॉक्टर स्मिथ सजेस्टेड, डॉक्टर स्मिथ रॉबिन को सजेस्ट करे, आप क्यों नहीं उनसे मिलते, जो पेशेंट को मैं ट्रीट करा वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है, आप उनसे क्यों नहीं मिलते, उनकी हेल्प कैसे हो चुकी है. He said, he gave the address of two different people. Doctor gave the address of two different people. Go meet them and come to me immediately after that. What the doctor said? Go meet them. Go and meet with the different two people and come immediately after that. जाओ और मिलो, मिलते ही immediately वापस आ जाओ. So now see, Robin, Alice and Aldo reached the first address. Okay, they went. First Jules, second Brown. Jules, not June. Jules' house is right here, said Alice. What Alice said? Jules' house is right here. यहाँ पर है. As they stood in front of a wooden house. Where they stood? In front of a wooden house. Aldo knocked at the door. वुडन हाउस के पास, यानी लकड़ी का घर, लकड़ी से बना हुआ घर, उसके पास खड़े हुए थे वो लोग. नॉक कर चुके हैं डोर को. सडनली द डोर ओपनड एंड देयर स्टूड ए टेरिबल फिगर. Suddenly the door was opened and stood in front of them terrible figure. Suddenly door open हो गया और उनके सामने खड़े हो गए terrible figure जो डरावना था. He was 2 meters tall and must have weighed around 170 kilos. How he was? He was 2 meters tall. He was tall up to 2 meters. And what was his height? Around 170 kilos. He had untidy hairs and sharp dinosaur-like teeth. How he had untidy hair. Hair means untidy means what? Hairs was not combed for many days. So like that untidy hairs he had, and how he had teeth like sharp like dinosaur. What do you want? He asked with a wicked smile. By giving a smile, not interested but given a smile. In that wicked smile he asked, what do you want? Are you Mr. Jules? Aldo asked. What he asked? Are you Mr. Jules? He asked. The man nodded. Dr. Smith sent us to you, Alice said. What Alice said? Dr. Smith sent us to meet with you. Our friend here has a peculiar fear. Our friend who is Robin is having a peculiar fear. He said, डर है उनके दिल में एक अजीब सा. Maybe you can help him get cured. आप उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं, शायद वो अच्छे हो जाएंगे. The house smelled of rotten cabbage and burnt meat. How was the smell? Smell was rotten cabbage जो खराब हो चुका है. burnt meat जो जल चुका है, उसकी स्मेल आ रही थी पूरे हाउस में. everything was dark, पूरा सब कुछ अंधेरा था घर में. before Jules could remove the bones of the table, the visitors saw them. Before Jules remove कर टेबल से बोन्स रिमूव करने से पहले द विजिटर्स saw them, मतलब वो जो गए थे वो उनको विजिटर्स दिख गए उनको, वो सब साफ करने से पहले ही. He must be having a monster appetite. How? Monster means like Gulliver. He had too much height like that. Aldo whispered fearfully. धीरे धीरे कान में बोलना. whispered fearfully, डर के मारे हो ना कान में घुस कर दिए. Jules came back and closed the windows. Jules came back, and what he did, he closed the windows, plunging the room into completely darkness. How was the room? The room was totally darkness. Let me tell you my problem. I was afraid of the noise of children. How he was first, Jules said that, let me tell you my problem. I was afraid of children. बच्चों से डर लगता है. When they see me, the children scream. जब बच्चे मुझको देखेंगे चिल्लाएंगे. Especially when I try to get them for my meal or no. Especially जब मैं उनके साथ मील करना खाना चाहता हूँ. I mean when I go to buy my food. इसका मतलब क्या है? जब मैं जाता हूँ मेरा फूड खरीदने के लिए. I went to Dr. Smith and he advised me to think that these children were mice and that their screams were just squeaks. जब मैं डॉक्टर स्मिथ से मिला, डॉक्टर स्मिथ क्या बोले मुझको? ये बच्चे कैसे हैं? एक चूहे की जैसे हैं. और वो कैसे, उनकी चिल्लाना कैसा होगा? चूहा जब जैसे चिल्लाता है, छोटी सी जान है ये. डॉक्टर बोले मेरे को. It helped. Jules grinned, showing his terrible teeth. So it helped me, that Jules said, and he was grinned, and how he was showing his teeth. He lit a candle. Why don't you stay on for dinner? He lit up a candle and he said to Aldo, Alice and Robin to stay with him for dinner. Oh, thank you, but we are in a rush. Thank you, हम बहुत जल्दी में हैं. Alice said and pushed Aldo and Robin out of the ogre's house. हम अभी जल्दी में हैं बोलकर एलिस रॉबिन और ऑल्डो को घर से बाहर ओग्रस के घर से बाहर धक्का मार के चले गए लोग. Run, he shouted, or else he will make a meal of us. What did he said? Run. He shouted, run, or else that person will make us as his meals. जल्दी चले, यहाँ से जल्दी रन करो, नहीं तो वो अपना मील के तौर पे हमें खा जाएगा.